Hallo alle zusammen, ich heiße Abhishek and today we will learn the Fragewörter, that is interrogative words, how we form a question in sense of like as where is the toilet, where are you going, in this kind of Fragewörter we are dealing with right now. So Fragewörter, it makes with two words. One is Frage, the Frage, I mean question, and the Wörter is the Wörter and the Frage. So this the Frage Wörter, interrogatives or question words. So the first one is wo, where. Wo, where. Wo is the Zimmer, where is the room. Wo is the toilet, where is the toilet. Second, where, who. Where bist du, who are you. Where bin is, who am I. Third, wie, how. Wie alt bist du, how old are you. Ich bin 21 Jahre alt und du. Wie heißen Sie, wie heißen Sie. What's your name, how you call yourself. Ich heiße Abhishek und Sie. Fourth, was, what. One of the most important interrogatives word. Was, what. Was ist das, what is that. Was machen Sie, what are you doing. Wann, when. Zum Beispiel, for example, wann kommst du, wann kommst du. When you come. Warum, why. Warum, why. Zum Beispiel, for example, warum kommst du nicht. Warum kommst du nicht. Nicht is not. Why you not come. Why you not come. Now these are the 6 most important interrogatives word. With these 6 we can form any kind of interrogative sentences, interrogative questions. Thank you. Vielen Dank.